Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the uses of the verb to be. Okay, previously you have seen that the verb to be, it has got 8 forms: am, are, is, was, were, be, being and been. So am, are, is, they are the present forms of the verb to be. Was, were, the past forms of to be. Be. Here, along with be, we have to use helping verb will or shall. Will be, shall be to form the future tense. Being is used in the continuous tense passive voice. And been, we use it in the perfect tense. Okay. Now, the verb to be has got 2 uses. It can be used as main verb, or it can also be used as auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay, so 2 uses are there. Today we are going to see how to use to be as a main verb. Okay, when we use to be as main verb, they act as linking verbs. Okay, let's see example so that you understand. Let's take this example. Mohan is a poet. Here in this sentence, which is the verb? Is the verb. Okay. So, is the verb. It is the present form of the verb to be. It is the main verb, and as I told you, when to be is used as a main verb, then it acts as a linking verb. Okay. So, is a linking verb. Now, why it is called linking verb? Let's see. Now, does it show any action? It is not showing any action. Okay, it does not show or does not describe any action. Then what does it show? It shows the state of existence of the subject. So, is showing the state of the subject Mohan. Mohan is a poet. Okay, so does not show action, it shows the state of existence. Then here it connects the subject to the noun or adjective in the sentence. So here is connecting Mohan, the subject, to poet, which is a noun. Okay, now in this sentence, is there any object? There is no object. Then what is poet? Poet is a complement. Okay, so to be, when used as a main verb, it does not take direct object, it takes a complement. Got it? Now, with to be, we have 3 types of complement. Okay, let's see. First, we have to be plus noun. Example, here I am a doctor. There, am is the verb, the form of to be in the present tense. It is the main verb acting as linking verb. Okay, doctor is what? Complement. Okay, and it is called as subject complement. Got it? Second example, you are a teacher. Are is the verb, main verb, teacher complement, subject complement. And last example, Hari is a dancer. Okay, here also is your main verb, dancer is the complement, subject complement. Okay, that is the first type of complement with to be, that is to be plus noun. Now, second type of complement, we have to be plus adjectives. For example, I am tired, which is the verb am, and tired is an adjective. Okay, so it is called adjective complement. Then we have you are young. Okay, are is the verb, young is the adjective, so adjective complement. Next example we have Maria is tall. Okay, so which is the adjective here? Tall. Is the verb. And last, we are careful. So are the verb and careful your adjective. So it is adjective complement. Okay. And lastly we have to be plus prepositional phrase. Okay. Let's see the example. I was beside the lake. Which is the preposition? Beside is the preposition. So preposition beside the lake is called as prepositional phrase. Okay. So I was beside the lake. Was is your verb, which is the past form of to be. Okay. So beside the lake, prepositional phrase. So the verb to be is used with the prepositional phrase. Next example. You are under a tree. Here, which is the preposition? Under. Okay. Under is your preposition and under a tree is your prepositional phrase. Okay. Are is the verb, the present form of to be. So you are under a tree. So to be is used as main verb along with the prepositional phrase. Okay. So today we saw how to use the verb to be as a main verb. Okay. And we saw how along with to be we have to use the complements, subject complement, adjective complement and prepositional phrase. Okay. Hope you have understood. Any problem you can ask.